Hi there. Sorry I've been kind of quiet for the past few days, but a lot's been going on. And I'm sure you know, with all the closures that have been mandated, our studio is officially closed, but we are not closed as a business. However, for those of you who still want to stay in shape while you're at home, we have transitioned all of our training sessions to online platforms. So you can inbox us or give us a call at 914-665-2084 to find out how you can get on. We do have some things available for you for those of you who want to do an online membership. But anyway, here at Specialty Fitness, you know, we don't do everything the way that the traditional fitness does. So if you're looking for some sweat-free workouts, girls, let me tell you, ladies, because you know I can't get my hair messed up, okay? I just washed my hair and everything and got it done, and I don't like getting it messed up. I do not like to sweat out my hairdo. So in case you're looking for some workouts that will protect your hairstyle, girlfriends, let me tell you, we got some stuff for you. But anyway, oh, I just put my hand in my face, but luckily I just washed my hand for the 35th time today. I probably need some lotion right now. I hope you all are keeping healthy, and I just wanted to say that, you know, stay tuned because we're going to be posting a couple of things. There are going to be workouts available, and a couple of tasty things too. So, you know, I don't know about you, but whether I was stuck in the house or not, I'm going to eat. Okay, and I have been eating. Funny enough, I'm actually down about 20 pounds since December. And since this whole stay at home thing started, I lost about another 3 pounds. Not bad. But, oh, yes, I have been eating. And no, 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 no. It was probably the ice cream. Who knows? Maybe it was the Oreo cookies. I don't know. But somehow the weight just has been coming off. Yes, I am on a special diet, but I'll talk about that later because I don't like deprivation. So if you are looking for some type of restrictive, you can't eat nothing and you're going to be trapped with this, please, this is not the place for you. But if you are looking for something that's doable, something realistic, then we just might have a little something for you. And even better, being stuck on the couch isn't always fun. And if you're working from home, you're trapped in the chair, almost like being in the office. So if you've been trapped in the chair, we have some good stuff coming up for you because we like to keep the spine happy here at Specialty Fitness. So if you like a happy spine and you want to get rid of back pain, stay tuned because we got some good stuff coming up for you. Stay healthy, and please stay home if you can. Yes, we do need some fresh air. So yes, you might want to step outside for a few minutes and take a brief walk, but don't congregate, please. Please protect yourself, protect others. If you're not thinking about yourself, think about the others who can't help themselves, especially people who are immune compromised. Love you all. I hope you all stay well and see you soon.